Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna be getting the car remapped like I promised in the last video. I'm with my boy James.
Morning, peoples.
We are so gassed. We're going to MSL today to go and get stage 1 on the car. So it's gonna be a beast today. We're gonna hear it.
Drive, nothing big.
Crazy. I want to hear all the pops and bangs, see how it performs differently. But yeah, today's about the E63s getting remapped. Are you excited?
More than excited. I can't wait to see the difference. I want to hear the madness. I'm looking forward to it.
So we got a lot of power coming our way, but as always I hope you enjoyed today's video, and please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit that bell button to stay notified for the next new video, and I shall speak to you soon. Let's get this video started. Let's hit Birmingham. Yo, so we're here at MSL Birmingham. Boom, we made it. I'll show you the car quick and all the other cars that are here. Well, there's my beast there, waiting for the dyno and the remap. But yeah, I'm excited. We are actually here. It's like a 3-hour drive. Trust me, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit that cinematic view quickly to show you what's about. But yeah, let's get this video started. Right, so I just found out, yeah, it's a race chip that I'm gonna get fitted, not a remap. A little bit different than that, but it still produces a lot of power. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna see how the race chip performs. We're gonna put it on the dyno, which is over there in a minute. We're just taking the brake, playing some cool. But yeah, we're gonna hit the dyno to see how the race chip's performing. And if I'm happy with the performance, I'm gonna be like, yeah, I want that. But if not, I'm gonna have to start talking about remapping. But yeah, let's see what this race chip does on an E63s. I'll speak to you in a bit. I'm just gonna play some pool with James. And he's gonna lose, but yeah, anyway. No, I was taking shots and I potted most of the balls and I just had to put them back on the table for him to replay. But yeah, I hope you like that cinematic view. I'm so excited. As I said, we was driving for 3 hours to get to MSL today. Team AMG UK told me all about MSL. So I'm thinking it's gonna be a crazy powerful day. And as I said, it's a 3-hour drive getting here, so that means I get 3-hour drive play with a remap. Or
2 hours basically.
Race chip. Yeah, 2 hours now because we got power. But yeah, let's see what we get. I'll show you the results soon. Yo, but this place is amazing though. As I said, we've been welcomed. They offer you drinks. We got pool, as I said, here. Get to look around the amazing workstation. We got the dyno there. The workstation there, and there's some amazing cars, the BMWs, AMGs, the whole lot.
There's a room to sit down upstairs as well.
And there's a room to sit down upstairs, but if not, there's chairs here. And this is what MSL is like in Birmingham. Got TV. But yeah, this is a great place so far. Let's see what they do with the car. So I'll speak to you again in a bit. I'm excited. As always, you've got to know by now I get excited on my videos. So the race chip's been fitted now. I'm gonna give you a few revs, pops and bangs, and see if you notice the difference. James, take that camera. See what we're saying. Pops are more aggressive. I see the difference, I see the difference. And now we're going on the dyno to see what power it produces. So I'm back home now. That was a crazy day at MSL. I've got a race chip in my E63s, so I've got a lot of brake horsepower now. I've still got a lot of things that I want to do to the beast today, but I was just amazed by the pops, the bangs, meeting MSL for the first time, seeing their workshop, all the cars that was inside, and I hope you enjoyed this video because it was a crazy one for me. How did you feel today?
No, today was proper. Big up everyone at MSL as well. Super friendly people, man. It made me feel at home. It was good, man. It was good.
You see how relaxing it was at that place. We had a pool table, we had the cars to see, everything.
No,
it was amazing.
And other cars was coming in as well doing the madness. So.
And we even got to meet another Team AMG member. So yeah, today was a crazy video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I've got more crazy videos, as I said, coming up of the beast. Now it's got a race chip in it. So as always, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that bell button to stay notified for the next new video. And I shall speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.
Peace out.